on, guys? We're going to the island. I gotta get on a float and remove the steering line that's leaking. I already ordered one, but the wrong one got delivered, so I'm gonna see if I can get one made locally. If not, I'm just gonna give this bad one to the parts guy, so when the right one comes in, it can be matched correctly. All right.
Says he's gonna paddle it.
Wide surfboard.
What?
Moderate rain starting in 15 minutes.
Of course.
Alright, off to the next boat. Gotta change some pumps. Alright. We're at this next boat. Gotta change these pumps. Just collected everything. Just want you to meet our new float. So working in the water next to boats. His name is Alvis. Alright, this is where the pumps are. I gotta change this freshwater pump and then that washdown pump. It's not too bad. This one's a little small access, but besides that, it ain't too bad. Alright, I'm set up in the hole. Got my tools, pump, and I picked the perfect time of day with no shade. So I'm gonna try to do this as fast as I can. Gotta unscrew the pump, take the lines off, put new butt connections. Same thing for that. And at first, disconnect the hoses. It's not easy to unscrew this other side because this hose clamp's in the way. So be mindful when you're putting hose clamps on, please. Alright, just gotta wire it. And she's done. Well, this one. Double heat shrink. It's the only way to do it. And I use Pacer butt connections for the most part. If I'm in a pinch, I'll use the Anchor or anything really, but this is what I carry. Always do the tug test. Oh, I love when they leave an extra wire. It's like someone knew what they were doing, except they used yellow instead of black. That drives me crazy. Beautiful. Is it tightest back there? We'll get this one done. So there's not much room in here. I'm gonna try and get the GoPro up somewhere for you to see, but I'm gonna be squished like a pretzel in here. Alright, I'm bent over. This sucks. Ew. Ew. It always smells. Oh, I forgot something. Oops. Oops. Oh. 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 Let me get the new paw. Oh. Oh. And I wonder why my neck hurts. Probably because of this. Oh man. Alright. This is me right now. I got it mounted. This is a simple one. These are quick connects. They just pop right in. I'm gonna do some nice butt connects here and then check some stuff and we're out. Alright, we are going to some boat with a Volvo diesel. Someone installed everything and I guess they ran away when it was time to program all the computers. So we are gonna go poke around and see if I can plug in and get everything programmed for this guy. Hopefully it's something simple, quick. I just press some buttons and we can go. Let's go. Well, here we are. Let's take a peek around. Alright, I try to connect with my computer, see if I'm reading the ECU. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a breaker that keeps tripping on the motor. It gets power, and then something is popping this breaker. So I'm gonna dig around and look for something. Alright, so for starters, I'm just gonna swap this breaker with that engine's and just see if I can just rule this out. If not, if it still pops, then we know it's something in the harness or an accessory on the engine. I know the other engine's breaker doesn't pop, so let's rule out the easiest stuff first. Connect the other side, I'll power it up. Oh, it popped, and it's not the breaker. So it's something in this harness or an accessory on this engine. Alright, that about wraps it up. Pumps changed on the Freeman. got a steering leak on that we got to take care of, and some other small stuff another day. That Chris Craft, I think it's a Chris Craft with the Volvos, that I am getting over to the property so I can finish someone else's job like usual. And I got that steering hose coming for the other boat that I was on the raft for. So thank you for watching.